You fit get ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.
We don't come to the front page of the newspaper today. Today will be the 12th day of June 2023. Happy Democracy Day to everybody, and happy democracy to those when they fight for the democracy. And when the company goes come out from the what they call the gadi regime, because where we choose our leader ourselves. Now this one we want, no be this one we want. That be Democracy Day. No be say they could just come say, now this one be your own. Yeah, whether you like it or not. But you know it be Democracy Day. You go choose your own. What it means you go line elect the leader of your choice. Still now the newspaper Tori with the look this morning, the front page. We'll look the Nation, the Daily Trust, the Punch, the Vanguard, and the Guardian this morning. Yes, make we start with the Nation. The Nation got this one says Shetima last minute push swinging support for Akpabio and Abbas onto the National Assembly matter. You can see another one say manufacturer capacity unleashed drop to 49% on high energy cost. June 12, why we must defend our democracy by Tinubu. Now I can do the front page of the Nation because it expect better deal from judiciary reform as stated. So the matter be because the Abiola's sacrifice should not be in vain. And so he get a initially exit on top. And I get this one and the fireworks before suspension by Nigeria story by ex-minister Sarika. Now, so he get a subsidy palliative more bus for Oyo State, free ride for PPUs in Kwara. This one I did the front page of the Nation. You don't say if the papers no carry Emefiele story, the matter no clear like that. And the Daily Trust, now so we get up for the Daily Trust. The Daily Trust can say speakership betrayal, Gida step down for APC Abbas. So we get up for there. Kanu governor resumed demolition of illegal structure. Subsidy removal, road transport cost compete with airfare. Now so the Daily Trust get up. Bear with me on subsidy removal. Tinubu tells Nigeria that down because he promised investment in power, transportation, healthcare, others. Pay tribute to Abiola Yaradua, others. Use gain to deepen Nigeria democracy. IBB. Now this one. So why article Obi react? The front page of the Daily Trust, you can see picture when you carry 10th Senate support the progression. You see faces for there. Our president did there. Now so it be for the front page of the Daily Trust. From the Daily Trust, auto say for they expensive this period. You don't say na bicycle me the user enter the Punch, and the Punch can say DSS sees Emefiele passport, plan home office search onto our former CBN governor. On to say they can pick him on Saturday. In there they say they'll seize the passport. And the already season, just say they don't season, and they'll plan to search he has and the office. And so that won't be Democracy Day. Tinubu MKO Abiola promise to easy subsidy removal pains. That one, they page 2 of the Punch. And so you get why you can see get this one when you say court stop EFCC, ICPC, DSS from arresting Yari. And so you get you can see the court order and everything for the Punch. When you look up for the Punch, you see presidency back Christian Senate President Bitera and Gida step down over $56 billion lost to oil theft subsidy advisory panel. Now this one for the Punch. From the Punch, we move to the Vanguard. Yes, the Vanguard can still get some people face on top. It can say 30 years after June 12 alarmment because it's shocking revolution. You'll see faces for there. Because they use June 12 as lesson to drive Nigeria development. Edwin Clark, IBB, Article Obi, Ghani, others. Now, this one. Do not take democracy for granted, Tinubu wants. Now, so you can see faces for there. Because the economic uncertainty, insecurity drive up life insurance. That one day, the Vanguard. Because if you transaction back others, trader blames as customer agony persist. For subsidy, school owner go seek governance assistance. Now, so that will be for there. From there, the Vanguard, when you can get everything for there, when the other papers don't carry, we move straight to the Guardian on to say the papers this morning not to carry front to it. It just carry everything we get to do with our June 12th day and small of Emefiele and small of the National Assembly. Because it's 60 years after reality of United Africa hampered by homophobia, says the report. June 12th. Tinubu admires and critiques Nigeria democracy imperfect but has scored gain, says EU. Down the page 3 of the Guardian. 30 years after pro-democracy activists remind Tinubu of June 12 ideas. Page 6, I get that one. You can see many pictures when you did the front page of the Guardian. You see MK Abiola. You go see IBB. You go see President Obasanjo, Yaradua, Ebele Jonathan. You can see our former president, what they call Mohamed Buhari. You can see our president, what they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, so he be discussing expectation from Shodo as CBN has claimed begins. Bureau's Shodo preparation stage Nigeria Air certificate in stage 1. DSS lack power to investigate, persecute Emefiele. Who they on this one? Na Femi Fanana. Now they talk this one. You will see that one for page 3 if you want to know why I say DSS lack power to investigate and persecute Emefiele. The Guardian will give you better Ubonge Tori for that one. And that one at the front page of the newspaper review this morning. And we'll just touch that 1, 2, 3 matter because we will come give you for our Ubonge programs. We'll come give you things when it concern the democracy day. Onto the matter when it concern the National Assembly from our president and from the body language. Now tomorrow they're going to inaugurate the house and everybody done the push for last minute support. They will take it who become speaker and who will become the Senate president. And but the speaker matter, that one just the will say they don't settle that one from information when it come. That one not to be like the matter when it get to do with the Senate president. Yes, everybody can go to see president and they try to what they call lobby. And I me get and to feel help you. Now me go feel assist you for this your mission what you want to accomplish. So and so matter. But yeah, we say no way. Babi say no way. Kalu say no way. And then some other people. But he be like Abbas, not just the middleman for the matter. But we just hope say tomorrow the election where they want to do for the Senate president go well and everything go very well. Former minister of aviation, whether they come minister Sireka, don't talk in matter when you say Nigeria Air story. If you want to know the matter, you not get everything you want to talk when you go feel pushing the mind of people onto say they'll say that money when you just carry and those money when you just use no get how it be and the masses feel no just they happy. Sake of say things no just go well for the matter. And our president talks, say, Mona, bear with me for this subsidy matter. He get the way we go to do this matter. Mona, no worry. We go look this one for our Ogbonge program. So the matter be, and from there we just put light, touch light for the last matter when he get with Emefiele. You know, say on Saturday, on Friday night, 1 or 2 things will make our president tell us, oh boy, you chief for this your office when you hold from the office and information will come and from the videos when you go during the weekend. Because we had DSS for arrest time, can go and DSS can confirm say he did their custody. Many accusations that they put for head, almost 10 issues now they put for head and as a matter they go with a given up to date when everybody say up to speed on how they go. Yes, now so we look the papers which this morning, the front page of the papers this morning. All our programs they your way. You know, say our Ogbonge program will come your way. Well, we can look the Democracy Day. We can touch that our president's speech for the Democracy Day. Now for me, I will tell all of now. Well done. Happy Democracy Day.
You fit get Ogbonge update on top politics, health, agriculture, sports, abi na entertainment with just one click for our YouTube channel on top TMC TV. TMC TV, purely PJ.